We are in the death still, and we are in the sadness still. We lost the fourth person here in Olala Forest. Even we changed the name of the forest where we are staying. We changed it by the name of this forest. As we said, we are in the crisis. We are suffering, and we are also challenging the crisis of the death. We lost this morning kids. His name is Sanat Mahmoud, Sanat Abdul Jabbar, sorry, and that is adding to the list of the people that we have lost them. With a full sadness, with a full condolence to his parents, we are taking him to his burial, and this is a message to the world. This is a message to whom are looking for us. We are going to lose one by one, and still we are abandoned. This is the situation which is actually in a critical way. We need to be out of Ethiopian territories.